12 Chat support jobs from home 2020. Email and chat support jobs are basically popular for those who are looking to work from home. You don't need any specific knowledge to start to work with such companies who hire representatives or operators who can assist their clients through chat. 1. Buffer. Buffer is a company that actually deals with social media and its tweets or posts. This is one of the best jobs for your search. There is a totally remote team that works with. 2. Support.com. In today's digital life, you have to have a piece of knowledge about technology. Support.com supports people who support technology. An opening for chat support may not be open always, but there would be a few placements for the people who are looking to work from home. 3. Live sales staff. In the live sales staff, you will be an independent contractor where you can work whenever the work is available. This offers work from home to help clients with sales positions or customer services. The pay scale is approximately $500 per month. It is just a part-time job income. 4. Arise. Arise is another company that offers chat support jobs to hire small business owners that work on a contract basis. Basic openings will be for online customer support jobs from home or phone chat jobs or chat support jobs. 5. Automatic. This organization has spread over 50 countries. Finding a placement makes it easy for people looking for chat support jobs. The main objective of Automatic is a WordPress, blog management tool and many other tools that help you to optimize your site and your web experience. 6. Site staff. Site staff plays an active role in accepting the applications even if they don't have any specific requirements. The qualification list is a bit interesting as the basic job is to engage visitors, provide empathy and try to handle the problems quickly. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. 7. Fancy Hands. Fancy Hands provide an opportunity for people looking after live chat operator jobs from home or chat support jobs from home or email support jobs from home. This is also an independent contract-based job. An approximate amount you can draw per task is $3 to $7. 8. LiveWorld. LiveWorld is a place where you get to spend your days making changes on the social media platform. If you spend much of your time on social media, then this could help you to put some amount in your pocket as well. 9. Ginger.io. Ginger.io basically deals with mental health therapy. This company makes it easy for the employees in giving support to their clients with emotional health coaching, teletherapy, telepsychiatry, and guided self-care. 10. Indeed. Indeed is one of the best places where you can search for all chat support jobs or online chat representative jobs or either email support jobs from home. The search engine makes it easy for us to search just by including remote or home-based on the location bar. 11. Operator. The Operator is a company that hires people who help users of the Operator mobile app to fulfill their shopping experiences. Basically, these employees are termed as experts. 12. Needle. The Needle is a company you can opt when you are looking for a side income as the pay does not depend upon an hourly basis. As a chat operator, your basic job is to help online shoppers to find the appropriate product they are looking for. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck!